Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great and you all are enjoying your learning. I'm Mariam, the cost and management accountant, and in this video I'm going to talk about a few topics regarding what is accounting and who are the users of accounting information. Right? These are the topics that every accounting student need to know. So let's start off with what is accounting. The accounting basically is the process of identifying, and the meaning of identifying is separating the non-accounting transactions from the accounting transactions, right? So, for example, if I say a business buys an asset for $1,000, this is going to be an accounting transaction. But if I say a business hires an employee for the services, this is not an accounting transaction. So this is what identifying means. It leads me to my point number 2, which is measuring. Now, every accounting transactions need to be monetary value, right? So when we talk about the monetary value, we talk about the measurement, right? If you bought an asset, how much did it cost? How much was that asset for, right? So this is what measuring is. For example, the business bought an asset for $1,000. So measurement in the case of accounting transaction is mandatory, right? It leads me to my next point, which is communicating. Well, after identifying and measuring an accounting transaction, we need to communicate this information, this economic information, to the users of financial statements, right? It leads me to my next topic, which is who are the users of accounting information? Well, people are interested to know the position of the business. Number one, I hear you saying the shareholders. Yeah, you're right. Number one is going to be a shareholder because those are the owners of a business and they are entrusted to know the accounting information of their business, right? Number two, I have the suppliers, right? Suppliers will want to know the position of the business, how the business is performing, what are their cash flows, what are the profits, so that they get to know that the business will be able to pay their debts, and so that suppliers can give the goods on the credit more and more to the business, right? Number three is going to be lenders, because they are going to give you money and they don't want to lose it, right? So first, they will have a look at your accounting information, your financial statements, whether the business is stable enough to give the money to, right? Number four is going to be the government, right? Government is one of the major stakeholders of the business, and they might be interested in the accounting information for national statistics or for the allocation of resources and in the activities of the enterprises, right? And number five is going to be the public, us. Why? Because we live in the environment where businesses operate, and we are concerned with the pollution or any harm that business is doing to the environment. So we are also the stakeholder of every business. So the next is going to be employees. Why? Because their future career and the level of their wages and salaries depends on the performance of the business. Because as the business grows, the wages and salaries of the employees also grows. And next is going to be managers. Why? Because they need to take a lot of decisions for the business on the basis of the accounting information. Well, if I sum up everything, the accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating the economic information to the users of financial statements. And the users of financial statements are the stakeholders of a business. I hope you understood the topic, and if you like my teaching style, let me know in the comments. And if you want to get any of the topic covered in my lectures, let me know in the comments again. I'll try to put it in my video someday, right? So thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned, because I'm going to clear many of your accounting concepts quick and easy, right? So stay tuned, be happy, enjoy your learning. Goodbye.